Okay, so let's talk about some of the multilingual international SEO implementation best practices, all right? So here are some things that are really important to consider to properly implement any of these MI SEO plans. First, you have to determine if you need a multilingual site or a multi-regional site or both. So what's the difference? Well, a multilingual site is a single site potentially that just has multiple languages, right? So maybe, for example, in the US, you might have English and Spanish, right? Maybe in Canada, maybe English and French Canadian. That would be a multilingual site, two languages for the same site. A multi-regional site might be a site that is going to be showing up in, let's say, the US, maybe in Germany, maybe in Spain and Italy, and that's for larger companies. So they're going to have to be really thought out in regards to how are we going to do this? Which one do we need? Do we need multiple regional sites, or can we get away with multilingual sites? And then, of course, we need to establish which language your pages are targeting with the use of language tags. This is language country targeting, and we'll talk about this in much more detail. You also have to create, translate, and maintain that content in your target users' languages. So, kind of talked about that already, but it sounds simple, but it's not. You can't just get a translation tool, translate it, put it up, and be done. There's a lot more to consider. And you have to specify which target country and or region with an international friendly domain URL structure, which we're going to take a look at in a moment.